Hi guys, Michael from Gorelo here. This is a quick video on contracts. We're starting here on the contracts list. You'll want to navigate up to the top right here and create a new contract. From here, we're going to select the client first, and then we get to choose to apply it to specific locations, or in this case, all locations. We now have three sections. We have an invoicing section, a labor section, and a product section. So the invoicing section here covers everything about the invoice itself. So we're going to select a start date. So let's say it's September 1st. We're going to have it repeat monthly, and we're going to have no end date. Over here, this is the invoice creation. So this is where you pick how many days before the start date the invoice will be created. In this case, we're going to pick 0. So on the start date, the 1st of September, it will generate an invoice. We're then going to select the invoice due days later. So in this case, we'll say it's due 7 days later. Then we'll pick the invoice template. So this is what the actual invoice PDF will look like. In this case, we'll pick standard, and now we'll configure the invoice email template. This is what the email looks like when it gets sent to the client. In this case, we'll pick standard as well. The reference field here, this is just the name of the contract or the name of the invoice. So when it's sent out, this is what appears at the top of the invoice. Once we've configured everything in the future and we're happy to automate it, we'll select this particular tick box here. Down here, this is the actual contract name that we see inside Gorelo. So we're just going to call that Gorelo Manage. And here we're going to configure the labor settings. In this case, we'll do an unlimited hours contract. Over here, we can pick to auto-approve time that goes against this particular contract. So we'll do that. Down here, these are the covered items. So this is what's automatically covered by this unlimited hours contract. It's a combination of both. So it requires the billing role and the work type to be ticked, and then it'll be automatically covered here. So in this case, a technician performing remote support will be covered here. However, a technician performing remote off-hours work or on-site off-hours work will not be covered. So we'll scroll down here and we'll add a few different products here. Let's add a managed user Microsoft Premium bundle and some antivirus as well. From there, we can create the contract and go up to the right-hand side here and preview what that invoice PDF will look like. So this is the PDF that will actually be sent to the client. Very basic. And if you had a logo, you can apply this to the top right-hand corner.